Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we have this problem and we're going to solve this. Well, to start we have to admit first that let's say that x has to be different from 0 because we cannot divide by 0. And well, let us make some transformations. Okay, we're gonna say that transform this one to simplify. Well, 41 plus x over x, guys. So we can write this as 41, okay, over x plus x over x. So this is going to be 441 over x plus 1. And 441 minus x over x, we can write this following the same steps. We would have what? 4, we'd have 441 over x minus 1. So now let us rewrite our equation. Okay, so we're gonna say that we're gonna have square root of 441 over x plus 1 plus square root of 441 minus over x minus 1, and then this is going to be equals to square root of 33 plus square root of 65 divided by 4. Okay, and now to continue, I'm going to make a substitution because let us just not be writing this term over and over again. I'm going to say 41 over x. This is going to be equal. Let's say this is a. Okay. If this is a, then I'm going to have square root of, this is a plus 1, plus square root of a minus 1, which is this. And then this is going to be equals to square root of 33 plus square root of 65 divided by 4. So to continue, what I'm going to do is to solve this. Well, there are so many ways you can solve this because you have these are square roots. You can square both sides if you want, but I'm not going to do this. What I'm actually going to do, guys, is I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by the conjugate of this. So I'm gonna have I'm gonna have square root of a plus 1 plus square root of a minus 1, which multiplies square root of a plus 1 minus square root of a minus 1, and this is going to be equal square root of 33 plus square root of 65 divided by 4, which multiplies square root of a plus 1 minus square root of a minus 1. Okay, guys, this is what I want. Now, from here, what we have, this is like, this product is something like a plus b, which multiplies a minus b. And we already know that this is going to be a squared minus b squared. So this is going to be multiplying this. We're going to have then square root of a plus 1 square minus square root of a minus 1 square. And then this is going to be this. This is going to be square root of 33 plus square root of 65 divided by 4. And then this is square root of a plus 1 minus square root of a minus 1. So now we can cancel this and this. We're going to have here a plus 1. This is going to be minus a multiplying plus 1, and then this is going to be square root of 33 plus square root of 65 divided by 4, and then this is multiplied by this, and then this is going to be 0, and we're going to have here 2 equals to square root of 33, 65 over 4, and this will multiply square root of a plus 1 minus square root of a minus 1 here. And guys, look at this. If these multiply this, I'm going to have 8. And then this 8, I'm going to have 8. And this will come dividing 8. So I'm going to have 8 divided by square root of 33 plus square root of 65. Okay? And this is going to be equal square root of a plus 1 minus square root of a minus 1. This is what I wanted to get, guys, because look in the beginning, what do we have here? A, this square root plus this square root is equal to this, but now I have that this minus this is equal to this. So I'm gonna say this is square root of a plus 1 minus square root of a plus 1, and this is equal to this. So this is equal to 33 plus 65 divided by 4. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add both sides side by side. This plus this is 0. This plus this, they give me 2 times this. So I'm gonna write on this side, okay? To be more practical, this is a plus 1. So, and I'm gonna add these terms too. 8 divided by square root of 33 plus square root of 65 plus I'm gonna have here square root of 33 plus square root of 65 divided by 4. Okay guys, now what we're going to have from here is that well, I'm gonna have here 2 square root of a plus 1, and then this is going to be what? Multiply this by this and this by this. I'm gonna have 4 times 8 is 32 plus this time this is going to be d squared. So this is, well, 65, and this is square divided by the product of this 4, which multiplies square root of 33 plus square root of 65. Okay guys, and then this is going to be what? This is 2 square root of a plus 1, and this is going to be taking like this power off. We're gonna have 32 plus this is 33 plus 2 times square root of 33 times square root of 65 plus 65. Okay, so now this is divided by 4, which multiplies square root of 33 plus square root of 65, and then we're gonna have 2, which multiplies square root of a plus 1, and then this is going to be 32 plus 33 is 65 plus 65 is 130, and 130, so this one would be 130, okay, would be 130, and this is 2 times 65. So I have 2 here, and this would be 2 times 65 plus square root of 33 times square root of 65. Okay guys, so this is divided by 4 square root of 33 plus square root of 65. Well, let me pick another paper. So guys, from here we going to have that this 2 goes with this 2. So we're going to have square root of a plus 1 is going to be equal to 65 plus square root of 33 plus square root of 65 divided by 4, and which multiplies square root of 33 plus square root of 65. So this is going to be square root of a plus 1, which is going to be equal. 65, guys, is square root of 65 square plus square root of 33 times square root of 65. And then this is divided by 4, which multiplies square root of 33 plus square root of 65. Well, guys, this is square root of a plus 1 equals, I'm going to factor square root of 65, which will multiply square root of 65 plus square root of 33. And then this is going to be 4 and divided by square root of 33 plus square root of 65. And then, guys, this is 1, and then we have square root of a plus 1 equals square root of 65 over 4. And then I'm going to square both sides. Squaring both sides, I'm going to have this is a plus 1 equals this is 65 over 16. So a is going to be 65 divided by 16 minus 1. So a is going to be 65 minus 16 over 16, and a is going to be equal to 49 divided by 16. This is my a. Remember that we say that a is this, right? We say a is this. So we're gonna have that 441 over x is going to be 49 divided by 16. So, well, we have then 41 times 16. This is going to be 49x. Then 49x is going to be this. And this is equal to, this is going to be 441 is 21 squared. So this is 21 times 21 times 16. This is 49x equals to, well, this is going to be 7 times 3 times 7 times 3 times 16 divided, I'm going to divide here by 49, and here by 49. 7 times 7 is 49. Okay, so I'm going to have here x equals to what? 49 times 9 past times 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 16 is 144. And this is divided by 49. So, guys, we have our answer. X is equal to 144. This is our answer, guys. Well, this is amazing because, you know, we had something like 41 over x, and our answer is just like, you know, 144, like permutating the numbers. Okay. Well, funny fact, but it actually doesn't matter. So guys, this is our answer. I hope you enjoy the way I solved the video. I solved the problem, and please subscribe to my channel, and see you next videos. Thank you very much.